Check it out, guys. This is the newest model for the hockey bot. So fully built with this going in, and it has a puck, and the whole goal of it is basically hockey. So you have your wheels and your drive and everything. I have the two ESCs. These are Scorpion, I think they're called Scorpion ESCs from Palm Beach. The battery is going to be a 1050. Let's see if I can bring it out. Battery is a 1050 or 1050 LiPo battery, 3S. Nice geared motors, ESC, and yeah, it's gonna be a good one, man. And I'm gonna be posting updates on this one soon. But this is what it looks like currently right now. And the ball, I mean not the ball, but the puck that goes in, you'll be able to pick it up, move, and everything, no problem. So yeah, make sure you guys follow all that, and you guys can see all the updates. See you guys later.